Hello guys, we've just installed the Tannus 740C on Trek Marlin 5 mountain bike. Looks like a road bike now. I still put the air thing so it doesn't let an opening if there's water goes inside, so it's much safer. But yeah, looks pretty good. As you can see, I still haven't tried it. I'm gonna give it a ride in a bit and you guys can see the difference. Well, I have another bike. This is much smaller, but with the mountain bike tires. Look at the difference. $740C on a 29er mountain bike. Very hard to install the tires. Probably took us 2 hours on the first try and then 10 minutes on the second try.